Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now we are discussing about the most profitable skills to learn in 2023. Here are the some most of the popular profitable skills that you can learn in 2023 and can generate a lot of the revenue. So make the most out of the 2023 and fill your pockets at the same time by learning these skills. Pick that one that is most suitable for you and work on developing your skill set. So here is the list of the most profitable skills to learn in 2023. Here are digital marketing, copywriting, tech skills, sales, design, UX, graphic, or visual. So video filming and editing, project management, foreign language, and foreign currency exchange trading, forex, foreign currency exchange trading, forex, and trade skills. So all the skills are discussed before and below to give you an idea of what to expect. Also this will help you to understand why and how they are the most profitable skills to learn. So that first, digital marketing. If you are a tech savvy creator and have a aptitude for advertising, one of the digital marketing digital marketing. So digital marketing is a component of marketing. It uses electronic devices and digital media platforms to promote products and services. Depending on the position, you can earn up to six digits a year. So digital marketing is a field that a lot of the potential with the rise of digital platforms and increased usage. The need for the digital marketing is also growing. Overall, digital marketing offers a very diverse career path, hence the need to choose your specializations. Here are some areas of digital marketing for your consideration: search engine optimization, SEO, search engine marketing, SEM, content marketing, influencer marketing, content automation, campaign marketing, data driven marketing, e-commerce marketing, social media marketing, email direct marketing. Also ebooks and the games have become a commonplace for the digital marketing. Digital marketing also happens offline on non-internet channels because they also provide digital media, for example mobile phones, through the SMS callbacks, or on hold mobile ringtones and TV. Choose your specialization and improve your related skills for more profit. So it in essence, you do not need any extra qualifications for digital marketing, but you should take courses on the digital marketing to increase your skills, to increase your chances of the landing a job. Check out our course on the digital marketing designs to help you become an excellent digital marketer. Explore the world of digital marketing and enjoy the perks that come along with it. Once you get the hang of it, you shall see that it is a pretty exciting and profitable career option. While digital marketing is excellent and all, it might not be your cup of tea, but that's cool to look at the other skills below to choose what best for you. So the first is copywriting. You have undoubtedly been clicked baited a few times, right? Where a very integrating headline made you click and read it, or maybe even buy a product. Well, that's just a side of great copywriting. So you might have heard writing does not pay for bills. That's why very much working in sales copywriting. If you are a great creative writer, copywriting may just be the money making path you need to take. Furthermore, you only need a laptop, a good Wi-Fi connection, and your creative thinking ability to have a successful copywriting career. So usually you can work as a freelance copywriter. It is also possible to get a job as a copywriter in marketing departments, copywriting agencies, advertising agencies, or public relations firms. So moreover, copywriting skills come in handy in many marketing areas like content management, editor, SEO specialist, etc. Great copywriters are very hard to find in today's industry. Thus, improving your copywriting skills will give you a advantage over or others. So moreover, people will pay a good price for well written content. Well written contents have an introducing a headline addresses people's in questions, very clear and engagingly. In addition, a good copywriting may grab the reader's attention and encourage them to take action. For example, buy a product, visit a page, subscribe to a newsletter, and so on. If you are not a neutral at writing, you can try these courses to improve your copywriting skills. Many clients does not require formal qualification, but copywriting courses will increase your credibility and enhance to get the job. So the second is tech skills. In the era of the internet, tech skills are always sought after. The more companies are going online and switching to the cloud-based operations. That is why tech skills are more in demand nowadays. So here are the tech skills that you can learn. That is web, that is coding, that is application languages, technology development, programming, etc. Some of the most profitable skills to learn in the information technology field are as follows: IT automation. IT automation is also referred to as infrastructure automation. It is essentially using software to create repeatable instructions and process. It aims to replace or cut back human interactions with the information technology systems. AI and machine learning. So AI machine learning is mainly based on the concept that machines can learn and adapt through experience. On the other hand, at AI, which stands for the artificial intelligence, refers to a broader idea that is a machine can carry out tasks smartly. Examples of AI and machine learning include Siri and Cortana. So the software development methodology is DevOps. DevOps refers to a set of the practices that combines software development with the IT operations. It focuses on shortening the development life cycle of systems. Additionally, it provides constant delivery with high quality softwares. The D is cloud computing. The cloud computing refers to on-demand availability on of a computer system resources. It does not require direct or active management by the user. It generally describes the data centers available to all the users over the internet. So the E part is a proactive security. So the proactive security refers to an approach whereby major incidents can be prevented before they even occur. In other words, it aims at prevention rather than dedicated detecting and responding. So the F part is fintech. So the fintech is a combination of finance and technology. It refers to the business to use technology to enhance or automate financial products, services, and processes. So the G is connected technologies. Connected technologies, also known as smart connected technologies. It refers to product with the built-in technology that allows it to connect with the its environment and maybe other products. This type of technology generally comprises sensors and processors. Examples of the connected technologies include the health monitors, smart home products, connected cars, etc. So the S part is parallel computing. Parallel computing is a type of computation whereby many calculations or execution of processes are carried out currently. So, for example, parallel computing is used in agriculture, estimates, financial risk management, video color correction, medical imaging, and drug discovery. So the I part is quantum computer. So quantum computing is an area of computing that is focused on developing computer technology. These technologies are based on the principles of quantum theory. It explains the behavior of energy that material on the atomic and subatomic levels. More operations are shifting to the cloud, which offers the door for more tech related jobs. Besides, employers nowadays prefer transferable tech skills over qualifications. So the fourth is sales. Sales is one of the most profitable skills to learn, and not just in 2023. Sales jobs have a huge commission earning potential along with a good starting salary. With some necessity sales skills and industry specific knowledge, you can become a successful salesperson. There are many sales job opportunities across various industries. For instance, pharmaceutical or medical sales, IT sales, export sales, fast moving consumer goods, that is known as FMGC, and direct or field sales and media and advertising sales.